Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be creating an upcycled mixed media box for craft angles inspired by their monthly theme. I decided to use this Prima Marketing Art Melange box because I still use it to hold my metal elements and other embellishments. I have in mind a nature inspired theme for this, and I decided to use the Finnabair mold flower queen and some clear resin available at the Handmade India website. I here have the flower queen, the lady face, and the flower elements casted and coated with a layer of clear gesso. To begin working on my box, I need to prime it and give a coat of clear gesso. I'm also using some ordinary tissue paper and layering that on the base of my box to just provide some random texture. Once my coat of clear gesso is dry, I'm now covering the entire box with a coat of white gesso. I am going to be giving 2 or 3 coats just to achieve a nice white primed surface so that any color I add later on would stand out. Now with that done, time to add a little more texture. I'm using the leafy background stencil with the sand texture paste and applying texture all over the box. I have roughly worked out the composition on my box just to see how I'd like to place all the elements. I decided to use the Craft Angles Moss Effect set, and I'm going to just begin with the lightest color, going in one by one and at the end adding touches of brown. I also constantly mist it with water to make the pastes and the color run down and blend with each other. That looks really beautiful. And just to highlight all the texture, I'm going to be using the copper penny wax and rubbing it with my finger all across the box. Now with my base and box ready, time to color the elements. For that, I'm going to be using the Finnabair liquid acrylics and in the warm color palette just to match as well as contrast my box. So here, one by one, I'm just going to be adding color, misting it with water and shading it. But this is a slow process. I can't constantly use my heat tool to dry the resin elements because they may melt. So I'm just going to enjoy and work this slowly. With the color down in place, I'm going to use the wax copper penny and gorgeous gold to highlight the texture on these elements. I'm so happy with the way they look, and now time to assemble and add them onto my box. So for gluing it all, I'm just using some heavy glossy gel as well as smaller chipboard pieces wherever I need depth and dimension or just to balance the elements. That is a look at the completed box, and for final touches I'm going to use some gold glitter and adhere it with the Foil Magic Craft Angles glue. I'm very happy with my final result, and here's a closer look at the box. I love the hint of glitter, the shine, as well as overall the general color combination and the vibrance this box gives. I really hope that I've inspired you and you've enjoyed this tutorial today. Do hit the thumbs up, like the video, and leave your comments because I always appreciate them. For more, subscribe to the channel, and until the next time, take care and bye bye.